Welcome to the ultimate masterclass in personal self-sabotage, where your parents will question their life choices and your future therapist will need a support group after hearing about it. Want to turn your bank account into a financial horror movie that would make accountants switch careers? Treat money like Monopoly cash bursting out of a piñata. Max out those credit cards on things you absolutely don't need, like $300 noise-canceling headphones you'll use twice and then forget in a drawer. Savings are for responsible adults. And you? You're living like winning big in Vegas is your retirement plan. Your social media is now your personal theater of delusion. Craft captions so deep, they make Shakespeare look basic. If your post doesn't hit 100 likes, did you even exist? Remember, your life is a movie, and everyone else is just an extra. Personal growth is for overachievers. Why learn a skill when you can binge watch an entire TV series 5 times? Relationships? More like a soap opera plot so chaotic, it makes reality TV look scripted. Date people who text you maybe twice a year because ghosting is their love language. Survive on caffeine, fast food, willpower, and pure audacity. Exercise? Please. That's for people who confuse sweating with success. When everything inevitably crashes and burns, remember to blame literally everything. The economy, your parents, that one teacher who never believed in you. Everyone's responsible except you. Congratulations! You're not just living your 20s, you're writing the first draft of a memoir nobody asked for.